ZetaFisc controls who can do what through roles and permissions. We manage them in settings. We open the Roles tab. Here are the built-in roles: admin, manager, and others, each with a set of permissions that decide what its members can see and do. Let us create our own role, an HR officer. We click Create Role. We name it HR officer and describe it. Then we switch on just the permissions this role should have: managing staff, managing and processing payroll, and viewing reports. Every other action stays off. We save the new role. The HR officer role now appears in the list, ready to assign to staff. Sometimes one person needs a single extra ability beyond their role, without changing the whole role. For that we use extra permissions. We open the Users tab. Against the user we open Manage Extra Permissions. These are permissions added on top of the user's role. We tick one extra ability and save it. The user picks it up next time they sign in. That is how ZetaFisc keeps your data secure, build roles for each kind of staff, assign them, and fine-tune any individual with extra permissions, so everyone has exactly the access they need and nothing more.